everybody, my name is Chris Fiercing with Chris Tech here, and I hope you're doing very well. Today we're going to be learning how to make water in Algodoo. So here we are in Algodoo. Now, in order to make water, we're going to select the square. We're going to make a square, kind of like a rectangle. Color you can choose. So you can change the color to whatever you want. Like, let's say you want to make lava, you can change it to orange. So like, you can make it, it's basically making liquid in Algodoo. So now what we're going to do is that we're going to double click on it and we're going to click liquefy. And as you can see, it's like now in particles. See, like it's now like it's cut in tiny little particles. And so here I have a container, and now we're gonna put in some water in this container, and we're gonna see if an object, when we drop an object into the water, will it collide, or will the water like splash over, or it won't. So we're gonna double click on the object, liquefy. So I've set it to blue. It's not always going to be in tiny particles. It can be in big particles, but it doesn't really matter. So here I'm going to make a little object, and you can see it doesn't collide. And it was that simple, guys. So that's basically today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe. Comment down below on what you would like to learn in future videos. Make sure to hit the thumbs up and have a nice day. This was a pretty simple video though.